Okay. Well, so um, I am JJ. Uh, well, I I found your school. I was looking for a forklift training for get some get back some of my experience, and I was looking online, and I bumped into your school's name, 4KS, and was I signed up. I want to get a try, and man, it's the best thing I did, because when I came here, you know, everything was perfect. I mean, um, it was easy, and I felt at home. How should I say? I felt well received, but I don't know how it works for other people, but I got trained by Aqib, and actually he's the best instructor. I got the chance to be trained with others instructors. I got some training, some hours with different instructors, because they seems to have a lot for a school like this. It doesn't seems to be huge, but they have so many instructors, as if it's a huge school, you know. Anyway, I got the trial with different instructors, but there is no better, for me at least, no better instructor than Aqib, because he knows how to make you relax and learn. I mean, if you feel like you're in a place where everything you do is wrong, and it makes you hard to learn. I mean, you are afraid. Oh, should I ask this? What should I do? But when you are just relaxed and you're at home, so no, this is the best place. So I'm actually very glad that I got to the 4KS instead of another place. It could have been any other school, but I don't know what kind of experience I had there. Anyway, I had a great experience here, so I'm planning to update or refresh my my training here when time comes.